Damn, those wheels are nice. Look at those. Man, why is my camera so dark? Oh wait. There they are. Yo, what is up, people? It's been so long. So long. And I'd like to welcome you guys back. And I'll get the mustache going. It's the quarantine mustache. I know it's been a while since I made a video, but it's better than nothing, and I'm home all day. I'm home all the time right now, so might as well start working on the car. I got new wheels for the car. I told you guys I had new wheels, and I got them. I sold my other wheels, but this is what I got. This is my new wheels. I got some Gramlights 57Crs. I'm gonna switch over to these. Nice raise lock nuts. So got that. Oh, so the reason why my car was so shiny is because I got it stage 3 cut and polish and also ceramic coated. And I'd like to give a huge shout out to Wes and his crew at Orion Detailing. Orion, I don't know how to pronounce it properly, but they hooked me up. They did a great job, great price. So if anyone wants a great detail in their car, cut and polish, ceramic coat, contact them and say, I guess Patrick sent you, and I'm sure they'll hook you up. Definitely see my reflection now. Before the paint, he said the paint was pretty bad, so the previous owner of this car, I guess he said he washed it with sandpaper essentially. The paint was pretty rough, but now it's pretty smooth. Yo, but I'd like to thank you guys so much for watching the videos during, I don't know, the winter season where I didn't even make any videos. I really appreciate you guys. The views have been up. That's really good. I mean, I got tons of subscribers over the winter, which is crazy. I think we're almost at 450, almost at 500. So I'd like to thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for always supporting the Rice channel, and thank you guys for just watching the videos. And I hope we can reach 1,000 this year. That's my goal. And with all this virus stuff going on, I don't know, but let's get it. Thank you guys. All right, wheels are on. They look so good. Let's go take it for a drive around. Hopefully put everything down back properly. And since the car is like all detailed and stuff, it looks like 10 times better. Again, thank you to those guys who detailed my car. 3-stage polish, ceramic coated. And it's gonna look 10 times better when we get the car lowered. Man, this car sounds so good. It feels so good. So good. It sounds so good. So good. Dude, these wheels look so good on this car. Let's take a look. Got some raised 57Crs. Again with some raised lugs as well. And I did get the center caps, and the Brembo that makes it look that makes the Brembos look so good. Look at that. But yo, look at this shine, man. Like, it's insane. Yo, look at that. Like, you think that you can really see a tree, or you can see a tree, but yeah, if it was really sunny, that's the tree. That's a tree on my car. Man.
I love these wheels.
Thank you to the frontline people out there. Man, you guys are the #1 people out there. Risking your lives for the better of us. But again, I want to thank you guys so much for watching the video. But those are my wheels. Again, it is a Gramlights 57Cr 18 by 9.5 plus 38. It's the perfect sizing. If you have a Type R and you size down, this is essentially the perfect size. Again, thank you guys for watching. From the bottom of my heart, thank you guys for watching my videos in the past winter time. Even though I was making videos, thank you for all the subscribers that I gained over the winter. It's crazy, and hopefully we can reach 1,000 this year. That's my goal. And you know, I'm kind of liking the quarantine stash, the corn stash. That's what it's called, I think. Kind of like it, but it's annoying. Shout out to Chance the Rapper. But yeah, guys, peace.